Trading can be a complex and overwhelming process. With so many variables to consider, it's easy to get lost in the details and lose sight of your goals. Probably, the reason why you're not achieving the results you would like and why you're not consistent is that you lack a clear and easy checklist. What is a checklist? A checklist is a series of tasks that, if and only if they are found within the chart, authorize you to open a trade. Here are my 5 key points for creating a perfect checklist. 1. Clear and unambiguous. It should be as objective as possible. It's not an opinion and cannot be subject to interpretations. It should be built on objective and statistical foundations, easy and immediate to verify on the chart. 2. Validated through backtesting. Execute at least 100 trades in backtest using the same checklist methodically. If, after these 100 trades, you are satisfied with the result, then the checklist is valid. Also, by backtesting it on the real market, you will internalize it and it will become a mechanical process. 3. Specific for each market. You cannot think that a strategy valid for gold can give the same results in the stock market. Each trading instrument has its own dynamics, and believe me, just knowing one market well is enough to be truly profitable. 4. Updated. Just because it's valid today doesn't mean it will be in a month. Backtesting is not a phase of a trader's life, it's a daily or weekly routine. The market changes month after month. Continuously backtest the strategy to refine and adapt it to market mutations. 5. Adapted to the type of trader you are, the life you have, and especially your risk appetite. Before creating it, ask yourself what percentage of risk you are willing to take, how many hours you have available during the day or month, and what your daily, weekly, or monthly goals are. Follow these 5 steps, and your future will thank you. And if you want to save time, you can follow my intraday strategy checklist in the video link in the comments. But remember to backtest it and see if it fits your trading style. If you want to create your own checklist, on my Discord channel, you can find free courses on futures and CFD and follow my trades day by day with all the backtesting. Thanks for watching.